Fly fishing at its best, 2020. You guys, this is legit. I'm locking this. This is a good fish for a crick. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that grasshopper. He took it. There's not a lot of grasshoppers right now. It's early, but they are hungry. And if you don't slap the water, we'll get this guy back in the water here. That is a big fish for a small crick. Look at that. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Stay consistent. Look at that. Beautiful alleyway, huh? Fighting him in the grass. Grasshopper. Look at that. Beautiful. So on this particular one, I zoomed my camera in and I left, but it picked up a weed, so forgive me. But the top right is a big spawner rainbow. Instead of catching this fish, I lock up with a really good brown. So sorry for the footage, but I'll let it unfold, and you can hear all the commotion and fun stuff as it went. Well, boys and girls, it isn't a fucking big one, but we got a nice brown. You can see him down there? There he is. Look at that. Big old brown. I didn't get that big old albino one. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Look at dandy. Look at that fish down there. I don't even know how I'm going to get down there. Jesus. What a fish. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, there's big fish everywhere. I'm in trouble. I am in trouble. I almost got to bring them all the way up. I don't want to. Hold on. So grasshopper pattern is working very well. I'm going to show you what I have on right there. That's where my thumb is. That used to be a grasshopper. That used to be, well, I don't have any left. Tell it's been hammered, so I'm gonna go with more of the yellow back here, Zipsy bug. Remember when I said be consistent? This is an absolute mega giant. Look at that fish. I had a fish. Come here, big boy. I know. You outsmarted a lot of people, didn't you? Look at that. There he goes. Oh, here, let me grab him. Oh, man. Are you kidding me, folks? Look at that. That isn't a crick. I can jump across that. Look at that big spawner. That is like a 23. Look at his tail. Look at that. It's been beat up. That's like a 23-inch rainbow cutthroat. Right in the creek. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Good go. Oh, get going, big boy. Hey, I appreciate it. That is what I'm talking about. These big spawners, being consistent, right flies. They do not want to hit. They're so lazy. Look at, he's just sitting there. He's so lazy. You gotta be smart. Thanks for watching another small clip of me fishing these Nevada creeks, catching these awesome fish during the spawning season. Have a good one.